Group provide a range of metrology services along with the manufacture and supply of CMM enclosures, fixturing kits, pallet loaders and modular rooms throughout the UK and Europe. We aim to build long-standing trusted relationships within the manufacturing and engineering sector. Our services include on or off-site UKAS calibration of CMM and arms, height gauges and hand tools, CMM moves and breakdown services, equipment hire and sale, subcontract inspection, programming, scanning and reverse engineering, and training on all the major metrology platforms. We're centrally based from our site in Telford with a strong workforce of around 60 engineers actively involved in metrology projects, with 4 engineers dedicated to UKAS calibration services. We use the highest standard of Cobra bars for calibration equipment, ensuring the best results and traceability. Staff are kept up to date with the latest quality standards and are prepared to work around our customers' needs in unpredictable and demanding times. We remind customers around 4 to 6 weeks prior to their calibration needs through a call and email, and welcome customer feedback at every opportunity.